Welcome to Module 2, Exploring Design Thinking Models. The Stanford Design Thinking process is a human-centered approach that emphasizes understanding people's needs, empathizing with their experiences, reframing challenges, and generating creative, out-of-the-box ideas. The process unfolds in 5 distinct steps. Empathize is all about immersing yourself in the user's world. By observing and engaging with individuals in their natural environments, you gain deep insights into their physical and emotional needs. This understanding is crucial for crafting solutions that truly resonate. With insights gathered, the next step is to clearly articulate the problem. This involves synthesizing your observations to identify patterns and themes, leading to a meaningful and actionable problem statement. This clarity sets the direction for your creative endeavors. Here, creativity takes center stage. Brainstorm a wide array of potential solutions, encouraging wild ideas without restraint. The goal is to explore as many possibilities as possible, fostering innovation through collaborative thinking. Transitioning from ideas to tangible forms. This phase involves creating simple, cost-effective models of your proposed solutions. Prototyping allows you to bring concepts to life, facilitating exploration and testing. Finally, put your prototypes into the hands of real users. Gather feedback, observe interactions, and learn from their experiences. This testing phase is iterative, often revealing new insights that lead to refinements and improvements. By embracing these steps, teams can foster a culture of empathy and creativity, leading to innovative solutions that address real user needs. This phase is all about observation, engagement, and immersion. Stepping into their world to gain real insights into their emotions, motivations, and challenges. The key is to set aside any assumptions and truly see the problem through their eyes. By experiencing their reality firsthand, we uncover meaningful perspectives that drive innovative and user-centered solutions. In this phase, the insights gathered during the empathize stage are carefully analyzed to uncover the core problem. The goal is to frame the challenge in a clear, focused, and actionable way, often through a "how might we" question. This problem statement becomes the foundation for the next steps, guiding the creative process and ensuring that the solutions generated are truly meaningful and impactful. The ideate phase is all about unleashing creativity and exploring a wide range of possible solutions. This is the time to think freely, brainstorm without limits, and focus on generating as many ideas as possible. Quantity takes precedence over quality at this stage, encouraging out-of-the-box thinking and pushing the boundaries of innovation. The more ideas you generate, the greater the chances of discovering truly transformative solutions. In this phase, ideas come to life through tangible prototypes. These can be simple, low-cost mock-ups or models that bring proposed solutions into a visible and testable form. Prototyping allows designers to experiment, explore different iterations, and quickly identify what works and what doesn't, without requiring significant resources. This hands-on approach helps refine ideas before moving forward, making the process both efficient and impactful. The final phase is all about testing the prototypes with real users. This step provides valuable feedback, helping to assess the effectiveness of the solution and identify areas for improvement. Since design thinking is an iterative and non-linear process, testing often leads to further refinements and new insights, bringing the solution closer to truly meeting user needs. The Design Council's framework for innovation is a structured yet flexible approach to tackling complex challenges in social, economic, and environmental contexts. At its core is the Double Diamond Model, which visually represents the design process through 2 key phases. The first diamond focuses on discovering and defining the problem. This involves deeply understanding the people affected, gathering insights, and clearly framing the challenge. The second diamond shifts towards developing and delivering solutions, encouraging the exploration of different ideas, co-designing with stakeholders, and testing solutions rigorously to determine what works best. This framework is guided by 4 fundamental design principles. The first is putting people first, ensuring that the process starts with understanding the needs, strengths, and aspirations of those who will use the final product or service. Communicating visually and inclusively is also essential, using visual tools to create a shared understanding of problems and ideas among all participants. Collaboration and co-creation play a central role in enriching the creative process by bringing in diverse perspectives. Finally, iteration is key. Constantly refining ideas through repeated cycles allows for early identification of errors, reduces risks, and increases confidence in the final outcome. By integrating the double diamond process with these guiding principles, the framework for innovation provides a clear pathway to developing solutions that are not only effective but also deeply human-centered. The design thinking process aligns closely with the Design Council's Double Diamond Model, a structured framework for problem solving that consists of two key phases: problem definition and solution development. In the first diamond, we diverge to explore and deeply understand the problem space. We then converge in the define phase, narrowing our focus to frame a clear, actionable problem statement. The second diamond represents solution development. We diverge again in the ideate phase, generating a broad range of creative possibilities before converging once more in the prototype and test phases. Here, ideas take shape as tangible prototypes, tested and refined based on real user feedback. The framework for innovation outlines 4 core principles to help problem solvers work as effectively as possible. First, put people first. This means starting by deeply understanding the people who will be using the service, getting to know their needs, strengths, and aspirations. Next, communicate visually and inclusively. The goal is to help everyone involved gain a shared understanding of the problem and potential ideas. Visual tools can make complex ideas clearer and more accessible to all. The third principle is to collaborate and co-create. Working together and drawing inspiration from the work of others fosters creativity and enriches the solutions we come up with. Remember to iterate, iterate, iterate. By continually refining your ideas, you can spot errors early, reduce risks, and build confidence in the solutions you develop. Thank you for joining us in this session. We've explored the key principles and steps that drive innovation through design thinking. Remember, it's all about understanding people, collaborating, and continuously refining your ideas. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and don't hesitate to revisit the process whenever you face new challenges. Until next time, keep designing with creativity and empathy.